The moon has returned to the center of our sky for Ooni Adeyeye Ogunwusi. For the first time in uncountable years, Obatala has temporarily locked up its wool-white shrine. Orunmila has sent on holiday Opele, the divination chain. Oya is nowhere to be found at the riverside. The living are haggard and the dead are awake. Like weaver birds on an ancient tree, the gods have gathered at the source for the chosen one. Then a mere poet. I take a cue from the sacred ones. I stand at the gate of a new era to welcome our king to his father's throne. Adeyeye Ogunwusi. Orúkọ ọmọ ní Romo. Names have spirits. Any tongue. All hail the man of history. The gods have decided in favor of truth. When in June, death paid us a courtesy visit, he lured our godlike king to the upper realm. He dug in our ageless crown a historical gap of an ocean's size. We had our hue and we had our cry. And while lay low, Moremi rested her cheek on our ethereal palm, while the Oromiyan staff's flag danced half-mast. Rumors walked tall on every street, but because this is Ife-Oye, orb of unbroken deities, Ibi Ojutima Waye, undisputed seeds of the universe's grid. Dawn has crowned a new king. The moon has returned to the center of our sky. Ife-Oye, Ibi ojú ti mọ́ wáyé. Because I desire access to the key of dawn, I have stooped to conquer the reverend's heart. For you dare not stand like a tree to greet in Ife-Oni. You dare not gauntly bend to salute our king. Whoever tramples on reverence in our cultured land will dance to a music he never hears. Oh, Nirisha's crown is heavier than the iron ore. Adeyeye Ogunwusi Kábíyèsí. But your ancestors are with you to bear the load. The shoes of the source are very large, but your feet of destiny are up to the task. In your time, the elements will honor the pact with the gods. Punctually, the sun will smile on our hay. Very passionately, fertile rains will kiss our longing earth. Whenever we hear a sudden cry, it will be a message of renewal from the labor room. Earth for the calabash, wealth for the plate. We banish the spirit of death and drought.
Oba tuntun gunte o, Adeyeye gunte o, Ogunwusi gunte o, kire gbogbo wọ̀lú o, káyà máa yàn kó, kọ́kọ́ máa yàn kó, àní kọ́mọ wa máa yàn kó. Ọba wa nífẹ̀ẹ́ Ọọ̀ni o, onírìṣà àgùntàn o, àníkógun máa wọ̀lú o, mo ní kíyàn máa jà ló, àlàáfíà kó pọ̀ gan-an. Adé kó pẹ́ lórí ọba wa o, bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ọba wa o, ìrùkẹ̀rẹ̀ kó dòkìnì, ṣẹ́ńṣẹ́ lùṣẹ́ o, ire gbogbo kó wọlé wa o, ire gbogbo kó wọlé wa, ṣẹ́ńṣẹ́.